Are you tired of messy wires and tangled cords in your home or office? Are your feet caught in a wire nest? Does equipment turn off at the pull of a cord? Uncontrolled, these cables, cords, and wires can cause damage to equipment, increase stress levels, decrease productivity, and even create a safety issue. Whatever your problem, Master Manufacturing has the solution with cord-away products. Grommets, channels, and wire clip solutions that install in no time, creating clean, organized, hazard-free workspaces, offices, and homes. Cord-away grommets are great for new installations or replacement. They're available in 3 diameters and control wire feeds to the work surface. A special flexible grommet can handle multiple wires in any direction. Cheaper than replacing damaged equipment, the cord-away channel hides wires, can be installed vertically or horizontally, latches closed, cuts effortlessly to size, and has a self-adhesive strip for easy setup. Just trying to manage wire flow around your desk, home, or workplace? Then the cord-away wire clips are your answer. Quickly tidy up wire mess with these self-adhesive wire clips to direct cables along, around, or under your desk. Use them anywhere to create clean, hazard-free workspaces. With cord-away grommets, channels, and clips, you can go from scattered to gathered in seconds. Clear up your workspace today with cord-away by Master Manufacturing. We have the solution.